Hey everyone, it's Sarah. Today I'll be showing you how to make my favorite homemade ramen noodles. Here's a list of the simple ingredients I use. Bone broth has collagen, protein, probiotics, and tastes delicious, so that's why I'm going to use that today. And as for the rice noodles, you can find them at any grocery store in the international food section. Now I'm cutting up my vegetables into bite size. What I love about this dish is you can customize it however you like, whether adding meat like chicken or shrimp, or making it vegan by using vegetable broth and veggies. The peas and corn are left over from last night's dinner, so they're already cooked. The rice noodles are super easy to make. All you have to do is add them to hot water. I set my stove to high heat and add my 2 cartons of broth. Next, I add in all my veggies, give it a good stir, and let it boil for about 15 minutes to soften. For the seasonings, I'm adding my garlic powder, chili powder, ginger, onion powder, and then stir. I love to add sriracha for flavor, and then add a little bit extra if you like it spicy. And that's really it. This is so easy to make. You just add your ingredients and heat it up. This whole pot can serve about 1 to 2 people for a whole week, or multiple people for about 2 meals. Homemade ramen is delicious, and it comes without any of the MSG or sodium that the prepackaged soups have. Fresh is always better. I hope you enjoyed. Comment down below if you're going to try out this recipe, and also if you played Cooking Mama as a kid on the Nintendo DS. See ya!